welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for popping over for another amazing recipe, another easy, tasty, fast recipe. And today we're going to be doing patatas bravas. Patatas bravas is another one, because there are many favorite ones. Another favorite tapa in Spain and the UK as well. It's very easy to make, very fast, and we're going to have it today for as a snack. The way that we start is we have hot oil in the pan, and we're going to add our potatoes, which I have cut in small pieces. So in there go. I have not salted them. They're just going to go in plain like that. We're gonna fry them. We will fry them in batches. So we make sure we fry the potatoes and not boil them, okay? And this is so fast, this recipe is so fast that if you blink, you will miss it. So, okay, so potatoes are fried and we are ready to start with the sauce. I already have my 4 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan, which I'm going to heat up. And once hot, as you can see, the oil is bubbling. We will take it off the heat and we will add our paprika off the heat. Okay, so 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, 1 and a bit more, and 2 and 1 teaspoon of hot paprika. Remember, 1 teaspoon of hot paprika. These are annoyed potatoes, not crazy mad potatoes, right? So they don't have to burn your mouth. So we mix it. Well, unless you want them to burn your mouth, then you will add Tabasco to the ones that you are eating, making sure the paprika doesn't burn. And now we will add our flour. We'll add our flour, stirring, mix it well. Once mixed, see, you're getting, oh, you cannot see it, the light is bad today, but we keep on cooking anyway. Nobody's listening to this, so doesn't matter what I say. Anyway, again, we start adding the vegetable stock to the mix, and now it's starting to get a lighter color. What we need to achieve is an orangey color of a sauce that is not too thin or too thick. Again, we go back to Goldilocks, something that is not too thin or too thick. It has to be just right. Let me change spoon. I'm gonna get this one. I think it will work better. Sorry about your ears. See, this is better. Can you see? It is a lot better. Oh, the light is bad. So we'll add some more. As you can see, my sauce is very, very liquidish. So I'm going to add a bit of corn flour with a bit of water that I have here. You cannot see because the light is really bad today. So I put it on the heat, because otherwise you will not get the corn flour to work. And I'm getting now a thicker sauce. If you can hear me, I just said you are getting now a thicker sauce. This is a lot better. I want to show you. If if I can get the light right. See, it's a bit better. I can feel it better now. So now I got the right consistency. I'm going to turn off the heat. And we're going to add a little bit of salt. And we're going to mix. And the sauce is ready. Okay, so our potatoes are in our terracotta pot. Perfect. We're gonna get our sauce and we're gonna pour it over the potatoes like this. Nicely done. All over. Should I put a little bit more? Go on, just a little bit more. And this is how we make patatas bravas easily and fast. If you like this recipe, please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting. Please do send us pictures if you make any of your dishes. Tag us on Facebook or Instagram. We would love hearing from you. See what you think about these recipes and about our channel. Here you go. Patatas bravas, easy way. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!